questions and answers. You asking and I will answer your questions. Let's go. Great job, helped me a lot because my models are low poly, thanks. And this is a comment on my video to the vector physics with a custom vector. Yes, I was using low poly models, but these tutorials do work for high poly as well. So, thank you. Hi, thanks for your video. You can explain how to pause a 3D scene, please? Yes. So, it's very simple. It's extremely simple. You just click here on the pause button. No, just kidding. Yes, you can do it, but this is not what you want. So, let's go in any of these scripts. It's just a script. You can always set time. I think it's time scale. And if you set it to 0 anywhere in the script, it doesn't matter where, just time scale. And then if you ask for time, delta time, this will always return 0 because it's multiplying the time with the time scale, and this is the output. And as soon as you set this to 0, your scene shouldn't do anything. So the physics engine stops, the animation system stops, and if you programmed your scripts properly, they stop as well. So this is a simple answer. The more complex answer is make sure that you stop every script that is currently executing. It's maybe more complex, but it's a more flexible way. Mixamo is horrible. Sorry, I will use Mixamo in the next tutorial, but just to download a character and I will get rid of every wig, any animation, because they were not that great. And this is what he stated here, especially with weight paint and useless for any custom human characters. Yes, that's why I will rig it. Again, those who are commenting and saying wars and art haven't actually looked at their models. Yes, it's 2. So their models are okay. They are still good. For prototyping, they are excellent. And for explaining things, they are excellent as well. For productive usage, I wouldn't recommend to use them. And can you show us how to make a sphere or a planet that can be edited with noises? Yes, so my water tutorial out there that's currently running will, or already has, some mesh deforming on noises, so you can all apply it to a sphere. Just set your vertices on a sphere and then add some Perlin noise to it. That's it. Maybe I will make a tutorial series on procedural generated terrain, but that's a different episode. Please bro, please make a tutorial about how to get into a mission like GTA racing mission. Unity, quests, brackeys. Here they go. Questing system in Unity 1 week ago. Have a look at this tutorial. I won't make such tutorials because you will actually think you do some kind of quest, any kind of a system. But really what he's doing here is just add some line of code and say, okay, health +1, -1, quest is active. No, this... If you really come to a productive game, you would actually know it. When you know how to code, you know how to make this happen. It's just a state. It's just a state. You should say, okay, the state starts. Am I in a mission? Yes or no? And you add some variables to it. For example, when does it start? The goal that you want to achieve. And the collectives you are collecting during this mission all the time. You have to pass. So that's it. Why do you breathe in the mic? The answer is I have a cheap mic and I have to get very close to the mic to get a good sound out of it. And if I get too close to the mic, my nose is over the mic and then I breathe in it. So But now I have a stand for my mic, so the mic is a little bit higher. So it's not that likely that I breathe into it. I'm sorry. I try to avoid it. So always raise the mic a little bit higher so I can't breathe in it. I will try to do it. Can I get your email? Nope. This is a comment I like. Can you make a video about 3D smooth camera? And I was like, oh god, this is just some lines of code. And someone really replied to that. So just say, okay, what did he do? A linear interpolation with smooth speed. Yeah, so linear interpolation is good. You could always use the smooth damp. So vectors 3 smooth damps, and it's a little bit smoother. But linear interpolation is good as well. So this is awesome. Just help them. Because this is what I used all the time. Linear interpolation, smooth damp. So just to make some things just move. So, and yeah. It's always kind of my tutorial. I don't want to make a specific tutorial on it. Please make in GTA weapon shot. Yes, good video. Okay, I will create a shooting tutorial. So, here is the result. Yeah, because many of you requested, okay, the GTA scene wasn't ready. We can't shoot at enemies. There are no enemies, no enemy AI. And I thought, okay, I don't want to continue it anymore. But I do want to make some small series. For example, this water scene. And I will do it with this one. So, here you have an exclusive preview of it, and this is what it will look like. It will be a 6-part tutorial series, and it will come out in March. So stay tuned, maybe subscribe, and hit the bell button so you get notified when this tutorial series will come out. Subscribe to my channel to get more straight to the point tutorials.